Hey guys, so today, tonight, it's really dark out. I'm going to do a speed click test. And this is my hand, this. I don't have any auto clickers on, anything. I have two mice right here, right now. But I'm gonna be using this one, faster with this one. So, let's go. Ready? This is for, let's go to 10 seconds. Alright, ready? .3 clicks per second in 10 seconds. Wow. Heart's racing. Alright, let's go to 5 seconds. Alright, ready? And the reason I start off over here is because sometimes when I start, I'm a slower. I didn't actually mean to start that time, but I actually got 11.6. My highest is 13. So let's see if we can beat that. I messed up on that one. Alright, let's try again. $11. That's pretty good. Let's try to hit 12. Ah, 11 again. Alright. Let me get in a better space. A better spot. 3, 2, 1, go. Ah, only 10.6. Wow. Comment down below what your highest clicks per second is. Oh, 11.2. I'm doing bad. That one was better. A lot better. $12.4. There we go. 12.4. Right there. 12.4. Comment down below if you can beat me.